Welcome to the world of Windows 7. These tutorials were designed to show you how to effectively and efficiently operate Windows 7. The first thing that we need to do is familiarize ourselves with the new Windows interface. This is especially important if you have never used a Windows operating system before, but even if you are a seasoned veteran, you'll soon discover that many new features have been added to Windows 7, as well as changes to the layout on the screen. Let's start our tour of Windows 7 in the top left-hand corner of the screen. Here we see a desktop icon for the recycle bin. If we want to see what's in the recycle bin, we can just double-click on it, and this folder will open, showing us that there's one file in the recycle bin. Now, what the recycle bin does is store all the files that we've deleted, and it gives us one last opportunity to save that file before it's permanently deleted. Now, you'll notice that the icon for the recycle bin is a bin that's full. It looks like it's full of paper. It's like a trash can. Now, if we want to take this file out of the recycle bin or restore this item, we can select the file and click on Restore. And it'll take the file out of the recycle bin and put it on the desktop. You'll also notice that the actual desktop icon for the recycle bin goes from a full bin to an empty bin. Now, if we decided that we really want to delete this, we can select it and press the Delete key. It'll ask us if we want to confirm the move to the recycle bin, and we can press yes. Or, instead of using the Restore button, we can actually take the file and drag it onto the desktop. And we can also drag it back into the recycle bin. So you see there's two ways to move items to the recycle bin and back to the desktop. So let's close this folder, and let's move down to the Start menu. When you hover over the button, you'll see the screen tip appear that says Start. That lets us know it's a Start menu. And if you click with the left mouse button, it opens the Start menu, and you see a list of the programs on our computer and various functions that we can access. We'll get into these features a little bit more later, but let's continue on our tour. Now to the right, you'll see a few icons for programs that are loaded on our computer. There's Internet Explorer, here's the Folders Explorer that allows us to see all the files that are on our computer, our media player, and then a few programs that I have open. Now over here is the rest of the taskbar, and this will fill up with other icons as you open more programs. We go over to the right here. This is the notification area of the taskbar, and this flag here will tell you if there's any issues that you need to resolve. The power icon here is letting me know that the computer's battery is fully charged because I'm working on a laptop, and it also shows you that it's plugged in because it has a plug there. Here's the status of the wireless internet connection that I'm using. And finally, you have the volume for the speakers. Right now, they're at 50%. Next, let's go back to the Files Explorer or the Windows Explorer icon, which is right here. And if you click on that, you'll see this window open, and you can explore what's on your computer. You have your list of favorites, your library items, and the drives that are on your computer, and any network accessibility that you may have. Maybe your computer's connected to a network. And all of the things in this area, this is called the navigation pane, because you're navigating where you want to go on your computer. Right here, this is the toolbar, and you can choose a couple different ways to organize the listings below. And right here in libraries, since this is selected, you see the subdirectories of the library over here. What it's done is sorted all your documents, your music files, your pictures, and your videos into separate folders so you can quickly get to them. And to close this, like you would in previous versions of Windows, you just click on the X box and it closes.